our purpose was to get Italy on the map, situated in a much firmer and clearer way than it was before. For participants to this conference, that is key to the mechanical engineering sector in the United States. And I think by soliciting collaborations and exchanges both on the scientific and the industrial side, we have done some work towards this purpose.
It was impressive to come here to look for the organization from ITA, from the Italian trade agency, and also for the network and the technical level of the conference. Yes, innovation could come still from Italy. I work for a very innovative company, and I appreciate this event, this roundtable, because it was a good opportunity to meet companies, university, to start talking about potential collaboration. And it is a concrete way to start with a concrete collaboration.
ITA, Italian Trade Agency. I'm very glad to be invited to participate in this roundtable where we discussed about competitiveness of Italy. And I think the better takeaway that I can take from this roundtable is the fact that beauty for Italy has been important for so many years, and it will be important also in the next years.
The panelists were phenomenal. I was amazed at the high level that they were able to bring here to Salt Lake City, Utah, which is not typically a tourist destination, so we appreciated them coming here for that. It was wonderful to get to see them.
Mal, we're very honoured to have taken part in such a prestigious event. The conference went very, very well, and the speaking and many questions from the audience, which was excellent. And we'd like to thank Marco and Bart and the rest of the agency for putting on such a fantastic occasion. Very privileged. Thank you.
It's been a great honor to be invited to this event, and also I really appreciate the IMECE. It's a great opportunity for us as a researcher from the university world to have this opportunity to networking and show our results to a diverse community of scientists and partners from industry. So I hope to be here again soon, and thank you again for this opportunity.
We really appreciate the workshop today, because we are now in a specific research workshop, conference, where we are able to identify which are the potential area of collaboration we would like to develop within the US counterpart. And we are trying to support the science-to-science collaboration in a more effective way. The takeaway piece, I think that here we had the opportunity to outreach our activities and to see that from the initial pilot that we developed in the last 2 years, we can really grow the kind of interaction between the two states, between Italy and the US, and from there build something that could be not only developed on the science-to-science level, but on a more programmatic level.
If I had sort of one takeaway that struck me was this. There were sort of two concepts. One was there was a lot about the idea of beauty, and to me I think beauty involves many things. Beauty involves a lot of robots moving very fast, very close, producing a car every 30 or 40 seconds. That's beauty. That's beauty in the highest sense. And the other one was, I think it was Paolo that pointed out from Industrial Premium, was the concept of competitiveness, that Italy is a competitive place, and that anyone would want then to collaborate and work with Italian companies, Italian universities, and tie into that competitive nature. So I think those were sort of the things that really struck out to me in the panel.